How you doing today, sir?
Hi, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. You, sir?
I am just enjoying the market.
Oh, that's good. What do you want, sir?
Well, I don't know yet. I'm just looking, but looks like these are the pretty fresh up there.
Yes.
What do you call that fish again?
Pampano.
Pampano.
Yes.
Pampano. Okay.
That's good for a grilled, sir.
I know that's
Yes, grilled,
grilled, or you
steamed.
can actually fry it. Steam
Yes.
It. Yeah. I like the lapu lapu too.
Already eat, sir?
The lapu lapu looks okay. They look a little. How much is lapu lapu?
Lapu-lapu, sir, I will give you 750 per kilo, sir, not per each.
Per kilo.
Maybe one piece, sir, is less than 1 kilo.
Okay.
Yeah. You want, sir?
Let me walk around first. I would
Then you
like to
come back,
see,
sir,
and then I will come.
Yeah. What's your name, sir?
My name is Shefik.
Shepik.
Shefik.
My name is.
Apeng.
Yes, Apeng.
All
Nice
right,
to meet you, sir.
Apeng, nice to meet you.
You come back, I will give you more cheap.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I will remember you.
I will remember you too.
Yeah, okay, thank you, sir.
Bye.